Welcome back. In this video, we are going to make you understand about the captions. Caption can be given to an image and it gives the information about the image, like what this image is about or what in the sequence wise it is in which number. So those kind of information. So let's say I've made a selection of this image and I want to give the caption. Then I need to go to insert caption, that is under references tab, and here it's coming figure 1 because this is the first figure in the document. However, if you don't want this figure to come, exclude label from the caption, check on this, it will not come. However, I want this, so I've made a selection of it. Caption can be given to an image, that is figure. It can be given to a equation also, that we have seen under insert tab, and it can be given to table also, that also we have seen in the insert tab. If we are creating a table and if you want to give the caption to the table, you can do the selection of table. However, by default it will take table. Let's say it's figure 1 only and I'm giving it's Hiralal. This is the first Indian hero, Mr. Hiralal. So I have given figure 1 Hiralal. Okay, so this is how captions are coming. Similarly, to all the images, caption has been given. So this is how caption can be given. So what is the advantage of it? We have seen in the bookmark case of the cross reference. Similarly, with the image also cross reference can be created. Let's say here I am giving the cross reference and I want to create the cross reference with the figure. So I have selected the figure and the figure that I am selecting is Hiralal. So here you can see that text is coming and also it has created a link. When I have clicked on this, I have reached here. Also you can create a table of images similar to table of content. You need to go to references, again insert table of figures. You can select the format, so I am going for classic one and click on OK. So you can see the table of figures has came, which is showing that what are how many figures are there and those figures are in which number page. Also it has created a link, so when you are clicking, so you will be able to reach there. So this is how caption works in documents. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.